ICS4U, Exponents in Java using POW. And that's not a typo. POW is actually a method from the math class. And instead of creating an object from the math class, we're going to be doing something a bit different so we can do exponents. And I'll show you that now. Okay, so this is Genie, and I haven't shown you this before. The class I've called Exponents. You can still do this in IntelliJ. It's going to work the same. Interestingly, in Genie, you don't have to create a project. It's not quite as sophisticated as IntelliJ or Eclipse or some of these other IDEs for programming Java. But it works, it's good for just really short programs. This is a short program where instead of, so I'm gonna use something called the math class. And I don't know how that happened. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is create a variable that's a double called num. I'm gonna create another one called b. B is gonna be the base. So it's 2, and E is gonna be the exponents, 3. And because they're doubles, I'm just emphasizing that by calling it 2.0 and 3.0. So what I want to do is raise 2 to the power of 3. So I want to do 2 to the power of 3 using Math.pow and storing it in num. So instead of creating a math an object from the math class, I'm just going to say, I'm going to reference the math class, and I'm going to say from the math class, I just want Java to pull out the POW method and use it just for this one purpose. And the POW method takes in 2 parameters. It's the base followed by the exponent. So what this will do is it'll do 2 to the power of 3, and it should work fine. And you just do system.out.println num. You can try this on your own. I don't think I have Genie set up properly for this computer, so I won't be able to execute it. But that is the correct code, and that's how you use exponents in Java. And that's the end of this very short lesson.